Good evening, viewers. Welcome to today's news edition. Before going to the details, here's a quick look at the headlines. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma lays foundation for the additional Secretariat complex at the Kopgre Tura. Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council 3-day summer session to begin from 24th June. Executive Committee to present full budget 2025 to 2026. Court extends police custody of accused Sonam Raghuvanshi and Raj Kushwaha by 2 days. Akash Rajput, Vishal Singh Chauhan and Anand Kurmi sent to 14 days judicial custody. West Khasi Hills Subroto Cup 2025 concludes with thrilling finals. Winners to represent the district at state level. The news in detail. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma laid the foundation for additional Secretariat complex at the Kopgre Tura. The Rs 156 crore project is an outcome of the long-felt aspiration of the people of Garo Hills. The additional Secretariat will have rooms for the Chief Minister and his cabinet, Chief Secretary and other senior officers. It will also house offices of different government departments. Terming the project as historic for the people of the state and particularly Garo Hills, he said the additional Secretariat complex is not just a building but a testament to the fulfillment of the aspirations of our people. He said that the government is creating infrastructure, keeping in mind next 100 years and wants to ensure that the administration it is not just closer to the people but easily accessible.
That an additional Secretariat is important for the people of Garo Hills and especially the citizens here in Tura and the Garo Hills region. And through this, we will be able to bring administration to the doorstep of the people living in Garo Hills, where most of the services, most of the government schemes, people have to take long journeys to go to Shillong to avail those services. I am sure that with the completion of the additional Secretariat, we will be able to provide those different services right at the doorstep of the citizens.
The 3-day summer session of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council will begin on 24th June. KHADC Chairman Strong Pillar Kharjana on Friday informed that the Executive Committee will present the full budget of the Council for the year 2025 to 2026 on the first day. He said the Executive Committee has not submitted any bills which they are going to table in the upcoming session. It may be mentioned that the budget to be presented by the Executive Member in Charge Finance, Seiborlang Warba, is likely to be passed on the final day of the session on 26 June. The second day of the Council summer session has been reserved for the private members' business.
Budget session sedang menunjuk budget ini budget kurang dari full budget di council di bawah. Kemudian ada question dan pala disclosure di question under process
A local court in Shillong granted 2 more days of police custody to Sonam Raghuvanshi and her alleged lover, Raj Kushwaha, while the other 3 accused, Akash Rajput, Vishal Singh Chauhan and Anand Kurmi, were sent to 14 days of judicial custody. All 5 were brought to court amid tight security after a medical examination. The hearing lasted about 40 minutes. The prosecution, represented by Tushar Chandra and Jyoti Marak, did not comment on the short extension of police custody.
Today's police custody was granted to Sonam and her boyfriend Raj Kushwaha, and for others, these other 3 accused, that is Akash, Vishal and Anand, 14 days they were remanded, 14 days judicial custody. That's all.
East Khasi Hill Superintendent of Police Vivek Singh confirmed that the name Sanjay Verma is a fictitious identity used by Raj Kushwaha on Truecaller. He said the volume of communication between Sonam and Raj was extensive, as many as 239 calls in 39 days. The SP said interrogation is on and a lot of questioning is ongoing, as they are trying to get the complete picture. Meanwhile, the Special Investigation Team of Meghalaya Police has questioned around 20 people, including Sonam and Raj Kushwaha's family members in Indore.
This name, I don't know how it emanated, but Sanjay Verma is just a fictitious name which is actually registered in Truecaller. The number pertains to Raj himself, Raj Kushwaha himself. So regarding those statistics, I will not be able to tell you. I don't know where you got these statistics. Those are actually evidentiary. That's evidentiary material. But the tally of calls between Raj and Sonam is huge.
BJP leaders and aspiring candidates have begun grassroots preparations for the upcoming GHADC elections, aiming to improve the party's performance in Meghalaya. Despite limited success in past MLA and MDC elections, BJP leader and Cabinet Minister A.L. Haq remains confident of winning more seats this time. He asserted that the party already had some MDCs in GHADC and is now focused on strengthening its base. The BJP has also restructured its office bearers in preparation for the 2028 Assembly elections.
But we say that we have not win the election, for anyone has not win the election, so I do not agree with you. But still we need to strengthen more further to ensure that they get more MDC candidate, not MDC candidate, the winning candidate from the government's autonomous district also. See, all the political parties, not only BJP, every terms they are renewing the office bearers. So all office bearers from the past, today and tomorrow also, they are the same, they have the same energy to work, to strengthen the party organization.
As part of a nationwide directive from the Ministry of Home Affairs, Raj Bhavan Shillong on Friday hosted a special program to celebrate the Foundation Day of West Bengal, highlighting the cultural vibrancy and unity of the Indian Union. The event took place at the Durbar Hall of Raj Bhavan and featured a colorful cultural program commemorating the rich artistic and historical legacy of West Bengal. Meghalaya Chief Secretary D.P. Walang said that this kind of program allows the Meghalaya government to honor the heritage and reaffirmed the spirit of unity in diversity, and the celebration also highlights the vision of Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat, an initiative taken by Prime Minister of India to foster national unity and mutual understanding among different states in the country. In an effort to strengthen grassroots development and maintain close public engagement, Nonpor MLA Miralbon Singh visited 3 villages under his constituency as part of his ongoing tour program. The visit focused on both community interaction and the distribution of work orders for various development projects. At Ampreling, he handed over a work order of Rs 2 lakh for the renovation of the community hall. In Shakoikuna, the MLA sanctioned Rs 3 lakh for the repair of the village roads, and in Paham Maulen, 2 separate work orders Rs 2.5 lakh for the construction of a classroom to support local education and Rs 5 lakh for the repair of village roads under the Border Area Development Scheme.
Banyak snow yang dilindungkan, hidup snow habis itu saya ini. Bandar kalian dengar apa yang cuba? Nak sejuba habis itu saya. Kalau lah aneh, kalau lah aneh, kalau apa apa yang berkomputer itu. Dia kata tahu bejim semua orang ini, nalor dia berwarna IT ya kan, bukan dia berkam, awal dia kalau bersnong, awal dia nak ke sekolah.
The Nativity Youth Centre, in collaboration with the Office of the District Social Welfare Officer and District Child Protection Unit Southwest Khasi Hills District, today observed the International Day Against Drugs Abuse and Illicit Trafficking and Maukarwat through the Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan, an initiative of the Ministry of Social Justice. As part of the celebration, a rally against drugs abuse and illicit trafficking was held at Maukarwat. A total of 6 schools from Maukarwat area participated in the rally. District Social Welfare Officer E. Tariang highlighted the ill effects of drug abuse.
You don't come to good health, have a mental kejungi. You don't come to good health, hamil. Hey gini, kadolot kejungi, heart kejungi, the spiritual kejungi. Lada kini lightly, kita nak kejungi nai, yo ada kejungi nai. In the long shisha, kita kena school, kita job.
With an aim to educate and empower the public about their rights and responsibilities as telecom service users, the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, in collaboration with Mairang Presbyterian Science College, Eastern West Khasi Hills District, organized a consumer outreach program at the college campus. Participants were educated on how to remain vigilant against telecom frauds such as phishing, misleading messages and scam calls. Information was also shared about the Sanchar Sathi app, a digital platform developed by the Department of Telecommunications to help citizens report and track suspected fraudulent communication. In celebration of the 11th International Day of Yoga, the state government organized a yoga event at St. Xavier's High Secondary School, Tura. Held under the theme Yoga for One Earth, One Health, the event saw the participation of 120 students. Senior physiotherapist Sujata Das led the session, highlighting yoga's role in stress reduction and healthy living. The event was preponed due to the weekend school closures. Meanwhile, in Ribhoi, the District Yoga Sana Sports Association, in collaboration with Ribhoi College, marked the day with a large gathering. ADC Ribhoi Ayushi Pradhan spoke on yoga as a holistic health practice, urging people to dedicate just 20 minutes a day for lifelong benefits. The West Khasi Hills District Level Subroto Mukherjee Cup Football Tournament 2025 concluded on Thursday at New Nongstoin Playground. In the Under-17 Girls Final, Kershai Government LP and UP School defeated Sip Singh Memorial Government High Secondary School 3-0. KJP Sinat Sepni Higher Secondary School clinched the Under-15 Boys title with a 2-1 win over St. John Bosco High Secondary School, while Borsing Memorial Secondary School Nongpendeng edged past St. Xavier High Secondary School 4-3 in the Under-17 Boys match. These 3 winning teams will now represent West Khasi Hills at the state-level Subroto Cup in Shillong. And now for the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report. In Tura, minimum temperature 24 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature 30 degrees Celsius were recorded today. The relative humidity is 82% and rainfall 3.8 mm was also recorded. Moving on to Shillong, 17.2 degrees Celsius of minimum temperature, 24.4 degrees Celsius of maximum temperature, 98% of relative humidity and rainfall of 5 mm were recorded. Meanwhile, in Jowai, minimum temperature of 19 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature of 23 degrees Celsius were recorded, relative humidity is 92% and rainfall 1 mm were also recorded. And the forecast in Tura, Shillong and Jowai says light to moderate rain and thundershower is likely to occur at few places. Before winding up this news bulletin, here's a short recap. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma lays foundation for the additional Secretariat complex at the Cop Grey Tura. Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council 3-day summer session to begin from 24th June. Executive Committee to present full budget 2025 to 2026. Court extends police custody of accused Sonam Raghuvanshi and Raj Kushwaha by 2 days. Akash Rajput, Vishal Singh Chauhan and Anand Kurmi sent to 14 days judicial custody. And West Khasi Hills Subroto Cup 2025 concludes with thrilling finals. Winners to represent the district at state level. And that's all we have for you today in this news bulletin. Until we meet again, thank you for tuning in with us. Good night.